Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x squared minus number 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 4, that is from number 2 and number 2. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one will change for you. The S will change for this one. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.